So recently, I've been watching One Piece, so I thought, what better way to pay tribute to something that I really like than drawing its main character? So today, I will be drawing Monkey D. Luffy One Piece. Now I just need to find a reference for the sketch. Okay, so I finished Luffy. I love how he turns out. Now I just need to fine line him, then I'm gonna color him. Now that I've got the fine line done, time to do the coloring. And with that, this drawing is done. I hope y'all liked it. Can't wait to make more artwork like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!